Health benefits of drinking bone broth. Are you looking for a natural way to improve your gut health and support healthy joints? Want to boost your immune system and reduce inflammation naturally? Look no further than bone broth. This delicious and nutritious elixir has been used for centuries for its incredible healing properties, and in recent years, it's experiencing a resurgence in popularity. But what are the real benefits of drinking bone broth? And how can you make bone broth at home? In this video, I'll answer all of your questions and tell you about the 10 amazing health benefits of bone broth. I'll also share the best time to consume it, the recommended dosage, and important precautions to keep in mind. So, by the end, you can decide for yourself if adding bone broth to your daily routine is worth the hype. Before we dive into the benefits, let's talk about what bone broth actually is. Bone broth is more than just a soup base, it's a savory elixir made by simmering bones, herbs, and vegetables for an extended period. This slow cooking process extracts essential nutrients, collagen, and minerals from the bones, creating a potent and flavorful liquid that's a staple in many diets worldwide. So, if you're looking for a natural way to improve your health, you'll definitely want to watch this video. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our amazing health tips and tricks. Now, let's jump right into our top 10 health benefits of bone broth. Benefit number 1, nutrient-rich. Bone broth isn't just a savory drink, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. From essential vitamins like A, K, and various B vitamins to an assortment of minerals, including calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and more, bone broth is a treasure trove of essential nutrients. Amino acids like glycine and proline, found abundantly in bone broth, play pivotal roles in supporting metabolic functions and tissue repair. These nutrients collectively contribute to overall health by aiding in bone strength, muscle function, and promoting vibrant skin and hair. Benefit number 2, supports gut health. One of the standout benefits of bone broth lies in its ability to nurture a healthy gut environment. The gelatin and collagen present in bone broth work wonders for gut health, supporting the delicate lining of the digestive tract. Collagen helps in repairing and sealing the gut lining, potentially alleviating issues such as leaky gut syndrome. This restoration can aid in better nutrient absorption and reduce inflammation in the digestive system, ultimately promoting better overall digestion. Benefit number 3, joint health. The collagen-rich nature of bone broth is a game-changer for joint health. Collagen provides the building blocks for joint tissue and cartilage, thus easing joint discomfort and improving mobility. Studies have highlighted the positive impact of collagen supplementation, showcasing its potential to reduce joint pain and increase joint flexibility. Regular consumption of bone broth may play a significant role in maintaining healthy joints and possibly mitigating age-related joint issues. Benefit number 4, boosts immunity. Bone broth isn't just comforting, it also boosts your immune system. Rich in immune-boosting compounds like glutamine and arginine, bone broth supports the body's defense mechanisms. Additionally, the amino acids present in bone broth play a role in the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that aids in fighting off infections and reducing oxidative stress. These components collectively fortify the body, potentially reducing the risk of illnesses and supporting overall immune function. Benefit number 5, promotes skin health. Collagen, the hero ingredient in bone broth, plays a pivotal role in skin health and appearance. It's the structural protein responsible for skin elasticity, firmness, and hydration. By consuming collagen-rich bone broth, you are providing your body with the building blocks needed for supple, radiant skin. Studies have shown promising results, indicating that collagen supplementation can enhance skin elasticity and moisture, potentially reducing signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Before we move on, I'd love to hear from you. Are you already a fan of bone broth? Let me know in the comments below. Let's move on to benefit number 6, supports bone health. Bone broth isn't just named after bones for nothing, it's a source of essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and more. These minerals are crucial for bone health, contributing to bone density and strength. Regular consumption of bone broth may aid in preventing bone-related issues like osteoporosis by providing the necessary nutrients needed for maintaining healthy bones. Benefit number 7, aids weight loss. When it comes to weight management, bone broth is a winning option. Low in calories yet surprisingly filling, it can serve as a satisfying snack or meal addition, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. The gelatin in bone broth may promote feelings of fullness, helping curb cravings and keep hunger at bay. Additionally, incorporating bone broth into a balanced diet can support weight loss goals by providing a nutrient-dense, low-calorie option. Benefit number 8, hydration and electrolyte balance. Hydration is key to overall health, and bone broth can contribute significantly. With its water content and electrolytes like potassium and sodium, bone broth aids in maintaining proper hydration levels. Moreover, bone broth can be an excellent post-exercise recovery drink after strenuous workouts or physical activity. It replenishes lost fluids and electrolytes, supporting muscle recovery and reducing fatigue, making it an optimal choice for replenishing nutrients after exertion. Benefit number 9, anti-inflammatory properties. Bone broth contains compounds like amino acids, minerals, and gelatin that exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. These components can reduce inflammation throughout the body, aiding in alleviating symptoms associated with inflammatory conditions. By consuming bone broth regularly, individuals may experience a reduction in inflammation, benefiting overall health. Managing inflammation is crucial as chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, and bone broth presents a natural way to mitigate this issue. Benefit number 10, enhances hair and nail health. The collagen and various nutrients in bone broth play a pivotal role in promoting healthy hair and nails. Collagen is a structural protein that forms the foundation of hair and nails, contributing to their strength and resilience. Studies have indicated that collagen supplementation can enhance hair thickness, reduce brittleness, and promote nail growth and strength. Incorporating bone broth into your diet might be the secret ingredient for healthier, more lustrous hair and stronger nails. Now, I know you're probably wondering, how can I make bone broth at home? Well, it's simpler than you think. Start by collecting bones, chicken, beef, or any preferred variety. Roast them in the oven for added depth of flavor. Place the bones in a large pot, cover them with water, and add a splash of apple cider vinegar, which helps draw out nutrients. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Add aromatics like onions, garlic, carrots, and herbs for extra taste. Let it simmer for 12 to 24 hours to extract all the goodness. Strain the broth, discard the solids, and refrigerate. Skim off the fat once it's chilled. Your flavorful and nutrient-rich bone broth is ready to use in various dishes or sip on its own for a comforting and healthful treat. Best time to consume. Bone broth can be consumed at any time of day. Some people prefer having it in the morning, while others enjoy it as a warm drink in the evening. You can customize your bone broth recipe and consumption based on your preferences and health needs. This delicious and versatile beverage can be enjoyed in countless ways. Dosage and precautions. There's no strict dosage for bone broth. Start with a small amount, like a cup daily, and see how your body responds. Some precautions to consider. Sodium content. Bone broth can naturally be high in sodium, and adding salt during cooking will further increase it. Be mindful of this if you're watching your sodium intake. Consider using lower sodium ingredients, such as herbs and spices, for flavoring. Allergies. If you have allergies or sensitivities to certain ingredients commonly used in broth, such as celery, onions, or other vegetables, be cautious and omit them from your recipe. Alternatively, use substitutes that are safe for you to consume. Quality of bones. For the best results and to minimize the risk of contaminants, use high-quality, organic bones whenever possible. Dear viewers, that's it for today's video. Bone broth isn't just a comforting beverage, it's a treasure trove of health benefits. From being nutrient-rich to supporting gut health, joint health, immunity, skin, bones, weight management, hydration, and even anti-inflammatory properties, this elixir offers an array of advantages for your overall well-being. Incorporating bone broth into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your health and vitality. So, whether sipped as a warm drink or incorporated into various recipes, consider making bone broth a regular addition to your meals for these incredible health benefits. Your body will thank you for the nourishment and support it provides. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with your loved ones who might benefit from this knowledge. If there are any other health topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment down below. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. Until next time, eat well, stay healthy, and take care of yourselves.